Hello and welcome back to Wayne's Diecast. In this video we have a Kenworth T600 in a 187 scale, HO scale, in a nice grey and black, just the way I like it, no chrome. Looks pretty cool. Now I do have another one of these available on my eBay store at the time of recording this video. So whether it's there now or not, I don't know. But go pop over and have a look at my store and yeah, see what's there. So let's get this out. I haven't had one of these before. It's the first 187 scale model. I was going to try and limit myself to certain scales, but that just, didn't happen. Alright, so we have the mirrors in the bag here. Now these are a plastic model. So they're very light, but they still have all the details, and just don't take up as much room as your 164 and 43s and things like that. Yeah, they still do a very good job, and they do look pretty good. Now I definitely liked this one being the black and grey and has no chrome on it, so I do not like chrome. So yeah, so I might have a look at putting these mirrors on. Hopefully they just sort of, pop in there without glue and things. Let's cut that bag open. Alright, now hopefully there probably will be a left and a right. Now I don't know what one is what. What would that be? Don't know. Could be that or that. Hard to tell. Hard to tell. Maybe. I can't really see what I'm doing there. My fingers are in the way, but there's not many other ways of doing it. Now, I think they might need to be glued. It doesn't help when my eyes aren't the best and I can hardly see what I'm doing there. Oh, okay, I think, don't know. No, I don't think it's that way. Take that out, I reckon it might be that way. Sorry, this bit of the video might be a bit boring. Now, yeah, that'd be better that way. Now I don't want to have to use glue. Seems a little bit difficult there. So I'm not too happy about that bit. This is why I don't build model kits, because I wouldn't be any good at it. Yeah, unless I may have to get like a file or something and just file down the end of this a little bit just to make it a bit thinner. I think I might do that because I don't want to have to keep pushing them in and then break them. So if I just make those little posts there just a little bit smaller, it should slide in okay. So I'll do that, but I won't do it now though. So we'll just give you a look around the truck. So everything else, like, it still looks pretty good, being, you know, small, and it still does look pretty good. We've got our headlights here. You can see where the post goes through there for the headlight. That could have been a little better, but at least the headlights are lens, so that's all right. We've got our grille there with our Kenworth emblem, and we do have a little bug deflector there, which is just grey. Windscreen wipers we do have, they're black. Black windscreen surround, and it's a one-piece. I think it's a one-piece windscreen there. We've got a visor, black visor, and black horns with moulded in lights there. They're silver with the orange, and this would be basically windows, like tinted windows. There's nothing there, it is just a smooth surface, but that would simulate windows, same as on the side here. Well, hang on. No, that'd just be decoration, really, because there is no, it's just a flat top sleeper. But yeah, it kind of does appear to be windows, but it can't be. Either way, like, it still looks good. Got black exhaust stacks there. We've got black steps, black handle, and they have put the extra mirror up the top here. On the passenger side, we do have a steering wheel in there. A bit hard to see, but you can see a steering wheel. And have they? Probably not. Let me see. I doubt they would have. I'm trying to see if they put like a cutout for the sleeper. Actually, it looks... I can't tell if that back wall is just black. Oh no, I think they have actually... Or is that just the seat? Bit hard to tell. Bit hard to tell whether they actually put... Oh no, they haven't. So they've just... It looks like it is, but it's just black. So they've just got black behind the seats there. Yeah, it does make it look like there is a cutout, but there isn't. Which, that's fine. You know, it is only a small model. It's... Yeah, at least they've gone to some sort of effort there, which is good. I do like that. So we've got some half guards here. On the back, the turntable does pivot, so that's pretty good. There's no airlines or anything like that. Yeah, like, it would have been good, but being such a small part, it may not have looked any good. So I guess probably best being left off. We do have a deck plate there, and this is all just plastic at the back, but it still feels okay. Feels sturdy enough. Doesn't sort of feel like it'd break off too easy. We have all our lights at the back there, and the mud flap weights there. Got some tanks either side. Underneath, what have we got written there? Right, so we've just got the brekina under there, 187 scale T600. They've put dry shaft there, gearbox details, motor, leaf springs up the front. So they've done pretty good, I think, for a small model. Doesn't take up much room. Would have been good if it had either had the mirrors on it, or if they fitted in a little bit better. Maybe other models may have fitted in better. There might be a little bit of flashing or something on there that's just in the way. I just can't quite see it properly. Which is reason why I try and stick to the bigger models. Just because I can see things a bit better. But yeah, we've got it's nice. We've done all the rivet details there. They don't look too big. They sort of look appropriate. Maybe a little on the big side, but yeah, they also look appropriate. We've got a door here, storage door. We've got the little vent door there on that side, and then we've got the access door to the sleeper and the toolbox door. There we've got the fuel tanks with some black straps and some steps. And black wheels and rubber tyres. Does it? Yeah, rolls perfect. Rolls perfect. Yeah, right, eh? Yeah, so I'll work at getting these mirrors on. I'll just slightly run the file over the ends, or just, clean the ends up anyway, so they do slip in pretty easy. When I had the mirror on, so they are specific for specific sides. One of them fit in okay, the other one didn't, so I'll work on that. It's not a problem. But yeah, first time I've had one of these scales. Let me get it on the turntable. Okay, that's spinning around there. So, I won't try anything with those mirrors at the moment. Would be good, but I won't right now. Alrighty, so that's the 187 scale Kenworth T600 by brekina. Brekina automodele. Yeah, either one. You can work it out. There we go. So yeah, I do have another one of these. I think I'm getting more in. I think tomorrow. I think I should get a couple more in. Alrighty, check out the other videos popping up. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you all on the next video. Okay, bye for now.